Alright, sorry, I had to take all the plastic off. So here we go. Box. Set this down here. Still the same size unit. Still looks like the original packaging for the original Apple TV. Remote. Let's see if there's any goodies down here. Same original power cord. I like these, they're real nice and thin. And the book. So that is the unboxing of the Apple TV 2. Doesn't really have any much difference than the Apple TV 1. As you can see now, 802.11n, Wi-Fi, and 1080p. Excited about that. I'll post another video of it streaming it here in just a little bit.